Ocugen, ticker symbol OCGN. It's up about 19% this morning. There's huge volume that's being traded in this pre-market hours as of this morning. Let's see what's happening. So Bharat Biotech, which is a manufacturer of Covaxin out in India, they came out with this research, basically phase 3 trial reports for the Covaxin. And based on this report came out where Ocugen is preparing filings for COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin based on the new data which is being published in this particular report, where they're talking about we did a double-blind randomized multi-center phase 3 clinical trials in 25 Indian hospitals to evaluate the efficacy. This report was expected to come out earlier this year, back in April, but because of the issues that have been going on in India with regards to the virus, this was delayed out. Findings between November 16, 2020 and January 17 or January 7, 2021, we recruited about 25,800 participants who were randomized for placebo groups. 24 occurred in the vaccine, giving an overall vaccine efficacy of 77.8%. So based on this, Ocugen is going to be applying for or giving out the new full authorization of Covaxin. That data from the 25,800 patient phase 3 trial is now in and suggested the shot has an overall protective efficacy of 77.8% and 65.2% against the highly transmissible Delta variant, which is troubling health systems around the world. Now, this is another statement from Bharat Biotech, where they're saying Bharat said in a statement that Covaxin is the first COVID-19 vaccine to report promising efficacy against asymptomatic infections based on PCR testing, adding that it will help in reducing disease transmission. A few other reports that's happening over the COVID-19 vaccines slow. Parts of the US remain far behind the 70% goal. So Biden had the goal of having at least 70% vaccinated by July 4th. Right now, it's sitting at about 67%, so almost there, nothing too big. But if you look into this map, they're talking about how it's 55.4% fully, at least one dose, 47% fully vaccinated for United States. And with Canada, because Covaxin is also being contested out in Canada for at least for the emergency use authorization, which people are expecting to hear anytime this week. So that's another news to look out for. Now, again, depends whether or which direction the news is going, whether they're going to be approving it or like US did, cancel the EUA but go for the full use authorization. So that'll be interesting to look into. So with Canada, it's about 36% for fully vaccinated and 68% for at least one dose. Now, a few other things that are being going on around the Ocugen stock. There is this lawsuit that came out. This is from Jacobit's Law. It's talking about posting it July 5th, but we also covered this news earlier, and this was around June 24th. Basically the same thing, where they're talking about how Ocugen, with regards to, they mentioned earlier that they were going to do the EUA, then they later changed it to FDA or the full authorization with FDA, but that was also based on FDA's guidance, nothing to do with Ocugen. So there are a few other topics they have started out talking here in this case, where Ocugen would not file EUA with FDA. Of course, that was because of FDA's guidance, not because of Ocugen. The information submitted to the FDA was insufficient to support an emergency use authorization. As a result of the foregoing, the company's financial statements, as well as defendant statements about Ocugen's business operations and prospects, were false and misleading or lacked a reasonable bias. I mean, if you just search the word Jacobit's Law, you'll look into all these different types of lawsuits they have been filing across all the varieties. You're talking about companies, Wish, WPG, PRVB, all these other companies they have been a lot on. Everything has been going on for the past few weeks. And this is what the business does. Now, a few other things that's interesting around the Covaxin, just to keep an eye of how it's happening more from the political aspect. So this news is going on where India is asking EU to accept Covaxin and Covishield. These are two vaccines that are approved for emergency use authorization in India, manufactured by Indian companies, for Green Pass. So EU right now has a Green Pass, which there are a few vaccines. If people have taken those vaccines, then people can come in and out, to and fro in any of the EU countries freely. So this is just to facilitate an easy pass of people across the countries. And it offers quarantine relief in return. So this is more of a diplomatic play where they are trying to make EU accept the Covaxin and Covishield vaccines, and in turn, it will offer quarantine relief for all those people coming from EU on the Green Pass. So that's more like a diplomatic that's going on in order to approve Covaxin and Covishield. So this is one thing that India is playing. And the second thing is they're trying to work with WHO to get Covaxin also on the approval list for WHO. So as of now with WHO, if you look into their vaccines that are approved for emergency use authorization, you have Pfizer, AstraZeneca, and you also have Covishield, which is from the Serum Institute of India. But right now, if you go a little bit down, you'll see Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is still undergoing some exception review. And that's where India is trying to work with WHO so that it can also approve this vaccine as well. So there are some talks going on, and this will, of course, affect of how the world, the rest of the countries in the world sees in terms of the Covaxin. So yeah, it's something interesting to look into. Just want to share this with you. With that, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.